Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video, we are going to see Trivandrum software development engineering firm CareStack company started their hiring for freshers. The eligible criteria will be BE, BTech, CSIT, 88% score in 10th, 12th, willing to work in rotational shift. Candidate within areas can also apply. So it's a good opportunity for freshers. And the salary will be 7 to 8 LPA. Year of passing 2022. Training period duration will be no software development engineer, skill required, good communication English, MS Office, ability to research, make presentation, quick learner, roles and responsibility. Trivandrum virtual 85% all through the academics. After finishing assessment, you are having technical round and HR round, direct final HR round is there. So many things of donors and no bond mentioning here. This is what the good opportunity from CareStack company. So apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section.